Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
Open OneNote and sign in so sync and backups work immediately. Create or pick a notebook, then add a section and a new page to keep notes organized. Tap or click Draw, choose a pen, color, and thickness. Start with a medium tip for legibility. Use a stylus if available. It improves pressure and palm rejection. Once you have a page laid out, write a short heading and begin a test stroke to confirm pen responsiveness, and stroke smoothing are set to your preference. Write in sections and leave margins for later edits so you can rearrange thoughts quickly. Use the lasso tool to select handwriting, then move or resize blocks to structure content. Grouping keeps related notes together. Convert key paragraphs with ink to text for searchability while retaining the ink layer for visual context. Insert screenshots or audio recordings inline to capture diagrams or lectures. Tag action items and questions so you can filter tasks later and review efficiently when studying or review and tidy your page. Use ink replay to follow stroke order if you need to verify content or teaching flow, then convert selected notes to text where needed. Export the page as PDF or Word for sharing, or copy converted text into other apps. Make sure sync completes and check page versions if edits disappear. If ink to text struggles, rewrite unclear letters with firmer strokes, increase pen contrast, or crop and insert a higher contrast image of the handwriting before converting.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.